how to fix Discord mic cutting out. So if you're speaking on Discord and your mic keeps cutting out and you're trying to learn how you can fix that, well, do not worry, you've come to the right video. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's jump right into today's video. Fix Discord mic cutting out. So if you've been actually maybe on a voice chat on Discord in a voice server or anything like that and your mic is getting cut, first of all, it is important to understand if your mic is properly connected to your system. If you're using macOS, you can go to your system settings and you can go to the option called sound, and here you'll be able to check your output as well as input. So input means if you have any of the other microphone connected, of course you can go ahead and select that and you can see your other microphone that you've connected. Now once you've done that, simply open up Discord and go to this user settings icon. Over here on the left hand side, go to the option voice and video, and here you can see input mode and you can see input device and output device. So under input device also, you want to make sure that your microphone is properly connected, and over there also you want to make sure that everything is connected properly, and once done, just relaunch Discord and that should help you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.